chaps, it's Boxed here, and I've got another very quick unboxing for you. My second purchase on Black Friday, which is these lovely triple pack of ML120 Pro fans from Corsair Magnetic Levitation. I bought these to go on my Corsair CPU cooler, which is a H150i Pro, and it's got 360mm rad. I want to put these in a push-pull configuration. At the moment I've just got it on push configuration with normal magnetic levitation non-RGB fans. I'm hoping these are going to make the setup look really cool with the lighting on the front of the case, but also reduce my temperatures. The i9-9900K runs pretty hot, especially when overclocked to 5G. So I'm hoping that putting these on will reduce the temperatures and improve the aesthetics of my case. So all in all, a win-win scenario. And of course they were reduced for Black Friday, a pretty decent discount. They're about 20 quid for each fan, which, even though it's still expensive, that is actually a very good price for these. So I'm going to install them. I'm going to record my temperatures before and after the installation, and we'll see whether it was worth buying. Okay, so let's just have a look to see what we've got in here. Magnetic levitation bearing. A lot of this is in French. Dynamic RGB lighting, control, customize and sync, complete PMW control. The only downside to this is that it's not compatible with RGB Fusion, which I've got everything else synced up to. So my CPU cooler, the heatsink and the fans for the radiator, these ones, aren't going to sync with the rest of the machine. But I tend to have everything in a random RGB flow that just kind of randomizes all the different colors. So if I've randomized this as well, it should be fine. And for me, the most important thing was performance. These are supposed to be some of the best fans on the market. Really good bearing with the magnetic levitation, which I think that means it doesn't actually touch the sides or anything. So it's really, really quiet, has really good static air pressure. So should hopefully help reduce the temps and be really, really quiet as well. Okay, so let's open it. There's a little bit of a sticker on the top back corner. Get that off. Lift the lid up. Unfold everything. It's a little yellow box on the top. I have to have a look. That might be the Lightning Node Pro, which is like the lighting controller. And then each fan comes in its separate yellow box as well. There you go. Static pressure blades. And wow, look at that. That is completely silent. Wow, that is so smooth. Literally can't feel or hear a thing. So got 3 of these, 2 more. And that's it, box is empty. And then this must be the warranty, the quick start guide. Might get a sticker, you never know. Always like a sticker. Right, in here you've got quite a lot of stuff. You've got this, which is part of the Lightning Node Pro setup. I think it's like an extender and all the fans go in there. Then you've got the Lightning Node Pro itself, which just has 2 ports on it. I think you're just about to see the 2 ports under there. And then you've got this USB 2 internal lead. I didn't realise I was going to need to use a USB port inside the chassis actually, and I don't think I've got a spare one, so that could be an issue. That then plugs into the Lightning Node Pro in there. You then need to plug this into the Lightning Node Pro to get the RGB effects to work using this, I believe, which was also provided. So that goes from there into there. Then all the fans go into there. You've got 2 SATA power cables. I presume they both need to be connected. And so yeah, it's a pretty complicated setup in all honesty. You've got the quick start guide here. I've just had a quick read through to figure out how to do this. And you know, for installing a few fans, it's quite a complicated setup. So I'm going to get on with it, and I'll report back shortly to let you know how I get on, whether I have any issues, and then report on the results. See you in a bit. Cheers. So I've tested the i9-9900K overclocked at 5 GHz in both the push configuration and the push-pull configuration, and I've put the min and max temps for both configurations in this chart, and you can see that actually there is virtually no difference whatsoever at minimum temps. It was kind of around the mid-20s mark, and then at the maximum temp there's probably about a 2 to 3% difference there. It does vary per core slightly, but the overall package, there's only a 2% difference with the CPU at 100% load during the test. So overall, if you're looking to change from push to push-pull configuration and expected much lower temps, I would not recommend paying £80 for 3 additional fans to set it up this way, because actually in the real world results show that there's only about a 2% difference in temps. If you want your system to look better with RGB and everything, then you could argue it is still worth getting, and I'm actually going to keep mine. But a little bit disappointed in the performance overall, to be honest. I thought I would get much lower temps than this. Anyway, I hope that helps somebody out there. See you in the next video. Cheers, bye.